bend and twist and move. Which bones help you? That's right, it's your spine. Your spine is made up of 33 vertebrae. Each of the vertebrae has a specific job that it does. The top 7 vertebrae are called the cervical vertebrae, and they hold up your head and support your neck. The next 12 vertebrae are called the thoracic vertebrae. These help your ribs attach to your spine. Below that, we have 5 vertebrae called the lumbar vertebrae. And below those, we have 5 vertebrae fused together in order to create our sacrum. And finally, we have 4 vertebrae fused together to create our coccyx. The lumbar, sacrum, and coccyx vertebrae all work together in order to bear weight, stay balanced, and have power to lift things. In between each vertebrae are discs, and these help to cushion so that the vertebrae don't rub against each other.